Mr. Clap on the bed.
Fine like a motola. She get the money like a $10. She want get the motola. She know they find anybody we go control her.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Yay! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiye, or you can call me Tiyelicious or Tiye. It's fine by me. And if it's your first time stopping by, you are most definitely welcome, and I hope you stay. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, comment down below, and give me a fat thumbs up. So in today's video, as you guys can read from the title, I prepared a very nice makeup tutorial, graduation makeup tutorial to be specific, and I just made sure it was nice and easy to create, and I hope you guys like it. So if you guys would like to see how I achieve this beautiful rose gold look, keep on watching, and let's get right into the video. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with my eyebrows. I have pretty thin eyebrows, as you can see, so I like to go for a fuller and thicker eyebrow, more like a bold eyebrow. So what I'm gonna do is brush them upwards like that. So I'm gonna go in with this contour palette. It doesn't have a name, it's like a Chinese brand. So I'm gonna use this to clean up my eyebrows. Go in with my damp beauty blender and just blend that. So that's about it, guys. So I'm gonna go off camera and do this other eyebrow, and I'll be back to you guys. And I'm done with my eyebrows, so we're gonna start off with the eyes now. But before I start off with my eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and so now that I'm done with my eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and start up with my eyes, my eyeshadow, and I'm using the Kiss Crown makeup palette. This is like a summer, ooh, my nails, so this is like a summer inspired makeup palette. It's kind of a Chinese brand, I'm not so sure. So I'm gonna go in with this brown shade over here. As you can see, I use it very much, a lot, pretty much. It's really good, I like it. In the color Tiye. I'm gonna use this as a transition color. Now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna go in with this burgundy color. I'm gonna go in with this color over here in the shade raspberry, and I'm just going in my crease with this color. I'm just gonna go in my crease with this color. So what I'm simply doing here is building up the colors, as you can see. So you want to incorporate this color in your crease, not blending it way too much. It's all for me and you, I'ma keep on moving. Now I'm trying to build up the colors and go a little bit darker. So I'm gonna go in with this dark blue, dark brown, dark purple color in the shade Delicious. So with this color, I'm just gonna go ahead and focus on the V like that. So that's about it for now. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease using my same concealer palette. So as I cut the crease, I'm not gonna go all the way and cut the crease. I'm just gonna do a half cut crease. So I'm just gonna cut and end in the middle somewhere there.
Let's go for a drive, let's go for a drive, baby, in this foreign car, baby, all night long. Let's go for a drive, let's go for a drive, baby, you're the only one that I want.
I'm gonna go back in with this palette, and I'm using the shade Virgin, and this is like a shimmer, and this is like a shimmer color, and I'm gonna go in my inner corner here. So with the same brush on the other side of the brush, I'm gonna go in with this orange shimmer color in the shade Oranges on the center of my eye, just in the center of my eye, like that. I'm gonna go back in with this. I'm gonna go in with this color over here in the shade Wet Cherry, and this is like a red, kind of red maroon color. So now I'm gonna go in with my Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, and I'm using the shade Black Truffle over here just to smoke it up a bit. And I'm just taking a little bit of this and just blending it in, you know, light-handed. Now that I'm done with my eyes, I'm gonna go in with some eyeliner. This is just a drugstore eyeliner, very affordable. And now that I'm done with my eyeliner, I'm gonna go in with my mink lashes. Okay, moving on, I'm now using my Miss Rose. I'm now using my Miss Rose Photo Finish Foundation Primer to prime my face. I'm just gonna get it in, just, you know, just enough. And what I like to do with this is massage this into my skin, like a little, especially around my T-zone, my mouth.
into my eyes. We inside your paradise.
I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty Foundation. I love the color.
It'll never end. Never end. Oh, yeah. Baby, me like you like. I make you feel so good. Do you just like I should? Baby, me like you like. I make you feel so good. Do you just like I should? 잘안 보이고 있을 때 스트레스가 어깨에 가득 차 있을 때야 너만 보면 마음이 너무나도 편해져 모든 고민 모든 걱정들이 싹 없어져.
So with my highlight, I like to let it sit just for a little bit. So I'm gonna move on to my contour. Going in with my same contour palette, and I'm using the darkest shade here to contour my face.
너 하나뿐 only you 데리러 가게 걸 전화도 좀 언제나 내가 누굴 필요했을 때 You always there for sure 내가 제일이면 너는 나의 Beyonce Together we can run the world 어떤 차로 pick up 갈까
Now that I'm done with my contour, I'm gonna go.
전 세계를 잡을 수 있을 때까지 It's all for me and you I'ma keep on going 잘안 보이고 있을 때 스트레스가 어깨에 가득 차 있을 때야 너만 보면 마음이 너무나도 편해져
If you haven't noticed, I have like a round face, and I love my face. You know, sometimes a little bit snatched. So here's a tip for round faces. When you highlight, you just want to focus on this part, just this part, the center of your face. Don't go all the way like that. That makes your face look wider. So just focus on this part, right here, just like that. So what I'm gonna do is just first of all press this into my skin.
GPS girl 어디든 다 갈게 cause you are so special 단단계로 가자 on to the next level 걱정은 다 제껴 우리만의 잘안 보이고 있을 때 스트레스가 어깨에 가득 차 있을 때야 너만 보면
And now that I press the setting powder into my skin, I'm now gonna go ahead and bake this. This is how you avoid flashback contour. But as I powder contour, I like to use this same brown color here, this same brown color here, as a contour shade.
Stay the night. 잘안 보이고 있을 때 스트레스가 어깨에 가득 차 있을 때야 너만 보면 마음이 너무
I have like two MAC powders. First of all, I'm gonna go in with the NC45 and just dust off the excess powder. What we're doing here is blending it down my neck, just like that. I'm gonna go in with the NC55 and I'm just gonna use this just to warm up. So right now I'm gonna go in and work on my lower lash line. And I'm just gonna go ahead and use the same colors that I used at the top and just smoke it up. So for my highlight, I'm gonna use the Miss Rose Glow Kit, and I'm using the shade Crush Girl. This is like chocolate girl friendly. Trust and believe that. Just wait for it. Ooh, yeah. I love to highlight. Yes. I'm gonna go overboard. Let me stop. Guys, I go all the way out.
Monica, carry your matter for my head. Monica, I wanna know. Tell me what you want from me. I've done enough for you. Make bad man sing song for you. Is that not enough for you?
So that's about it, guys. But hold on, something missing. What is this? This for your graduation? Oh hell no. And there you have it, guys. This is a finished look. Beautiful and simple to rock on your graduation, and you are ready to get that gown, girl, to get that degree, girl, to get that diploma, degree, whatever, masters. Girl, you are ready to rock that stage. So if you guys liked this video or makeup tutorial, be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Yes. So that's it for me, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.